Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be teaching you another scale. This time we are going to be learning the E-flat scale. And before we get started, I just want to say, if you like the content and you want to see more, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. And now, let's get right into it. Okay, so first I will be playing the scale for you guys, and then I'm going to be showing you what the notes are and how to play them. Okay, so this is what the E-flat scale looks like. So that is what it sounds like, and now for the tutorial. Okay, so this scale begins with E flat, which is played 2 and 3. The next note is F, which is played 1. The next note is G, which is played open. The next note is A flat, which is played 2 and 3. The next note is B flat, which is played 1. The next note is C, which is played open. The next note is D, which is also played 1. And the last note, which is the same as the first, is E flat, except this time it's played 2 since we're in the upper octave. So those are the notes for the scale, and this is, again, what it sounds like. So thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, Trumpet Beast signing off.